a little bit of a different adventure for me today. It's just gone 9:30 and I've landed in Ireland, Dublin to be precise. I've got a little over 12 hours before I'm back on the plane and back to Blighty, so let's see what I can get up to. Well, the day is almost over and done for me. I've had a great time in Dublin. I haven't spent the 12 hours yet. I've still got a couple of those to spend at the airport, and I've got to get back shortly for check-in and all the check-in type of stuff. Can you get yourself out to somewhere like Dublin for the day? Run around and get yourself back home before you even knew you went? Well, I suppose the answer is bar spending a couple of hours in the Guinness factory, of course. Yeah, it's entirely possible. So, don't sit at home and think about it. Get yourself out there, spend a day somewhere different. It's a great adventure. But for me, next journey, but I've got to go now.